Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.